Yoruba culture has a lot of hope and believes that people can be brought back to usefulness. They don't give up easily on an individual. They believe that you can make efforts to rehabilitate people. And they have one proverb among so many to address that. Ohun gbogbo tó bá bàjẹ́ kọ́ là á dànù. Tá a bá tún ṣe, a lè lò pẹ́ títí. Kì í ṣe gbogbo ohun tó bá bàjẹ́ là á dànù. Tá a bá tún ṣe, a lè lò pẹ́ títí. Not everything that got spoiled that we should throw away. If you try to repair it, if you try to fix it, we may use it for a very long time. That simply means that we should have hope. Even when something looks as though it is a forgotten issue, we should make efforts to fix it. Maybe a child is behaving stubborn. He's so stubborn to the family so disobedient. Don't give up and don't throw that baby away, don't that child away. Don't disown him or her. Try one or two things to bring him or her back. It can yield results, and the baby and the child will be useful to you for a long time. Ohun gbogbo tó bàjẹ́ kọ́ là á dànù. Tá a bá tún ṣe, a lè lò pẹ́ títí.